Who hasn't seen The Wizard of Oz? And if you haven't, I invite you to leave America because obviously you're a terrorist. The Cowardly Lion and the Scarecrow and the Tin Man joined Dorothy at various moments of her journey, trying to get to Oz. And they all wanted something from the wizard. The Tin Man wanted a heart, the Lion wanted courage, and the Scarecrow wanted a brain. Well, the thing I teach in Volume 2 is action is all. And what happened in that story was they took action. They went on a search for what they wanted. They decided to stop standing here waiting to get smart, stop standing here waiting to get a heart, stop standing here waiting for courage. They went down the yellow brick road. And as we all know, there's nothing at the end of the yellow brick road but a huckster hiding behind a screen. But they all found out that they already had what it took. And action is what made them have a heart, have courage, and have a brain. And so you are on what we call on the list the shining path. To wherever you're going, I don't know. But as Vince said, I jumped off the cliff. I don't know where the hell I am, but I'm not on Devil's Island anymore. Which is a good way of putting what happens at these workshops. You're taking a big step. I'm asking you to jump. I'm asking you to have faith and believe. And away you go.
It was pretty helpful.
She liked the story that I told.
Well, I enjoyed meeting with Letty.
Like my suit and my shoes.
It was wonderful, actually.
I guess that's really good news.
Yeah.
And to be a lot more fun. I was nervous.
Oh, she said that I slouched when I sat down. That was the negative comment. And the positive comment was that I said her name and I asked to sit down.
Good.
Robert, John, Bob, Chris. Can't forget Chris.